Hello, Aaron Birst here. Thanks for pulling up this video on NDACo and its subsidiaries. It was created to provide a background on their legal and tax structure and explain why are we organized the way we are organized. Under North Dakota law, this association is required to be organized as a not-for-profit, or as commonly termed, not-for-profit corporation. This is simple and suffices for our statutory requirements. However, corporations must also deal with the requirements of the federal government. An NDACo has to declare a tax status. The IRS code recognizes 37 different nonprofit tax status classifications, from 501c3 for federal credit unions to 501n for charitable risk pools and various other ones. The choice had to fit the reasons why county officials had in mind when it came to the development of NDACo. Based on our mission and purpose, as outlined in our Constitution, the decision was made to opt for a 501c4 designation, which maintains our not-for-profit and tax-exempt status, but allows us to lobby both at the state and national level in original purpose of the association. There are some limitations with that designation, however. As a lobbying entity, any donations to the organization are not tax-exempt, which makes the receipt of foundation grants or operating an effective scholarship program very difficult. The tax status also restricts our delivery of services to members, so only counties can be served. Any revenue from non-members, such as ads in our newspaper, is considered unrelated income. And if it's significant, it would jeopardize our nonprofit status. To remain in compliance with state law and maintain our ability to lobby, but address these limitations, the NDACo board, based on the results of a strategic planning process, created two wholly owned subsidiary corporations, NDACo Resources Group, or commonly known as NRG, and the Institute of Local Government, also known as ILG. ILG was originally established in 1991 as an internal program solely for continuing education to county officials. It became a subsidiary of the association in 2000, with its primary focus becoming a foundation grant administration and scholarship fund management. As a not-for-profit, wholly owned by a nonprofit, ILG is permitted to use the same board as its parent, and therefore NDACo board is the ILG board of directors, with only the difference being in how and when the officers change. ILG was established as a 501c3 or charitable nonprofit, which supports the primary focus, grants and scholarships, as donations to the organizations and remain tax deductible. Scholarships have grown over time, beginning in 2000 with two $500 scholarships. In 2010, a third scholarship was added in memory of Amy Swihovic, the daughter of NDACo past president Linda Swihovic. Since 2015, NDACo has awarded 6 $2,000 scholarships to children and grandchildren of county officials and employees attending college in North Dakota. Also, a part of ILG is the Human Resource Collaboration, a joint venture of NDACo and several other local government associations. It was housed within ILG to leverage its 501c3 tax status, as that made it an attractive partner for a major charitable foundation. The goal of this collaboration is to provide a tool chest of resources relating to human resources specifically for local government. ILG has no staff of its own and reimburses NDACo for staff support. It is important to note that this type of nonprofit cannot support lobbying activities. NRG was established as a traditional for-profit corporation in 2000, and it has its own mission, which is to provide innovative solutions for businesses and government to strengthen NDACo and its members. It was created to house the technology services for counties. The for-profit status allowed NRG to also provide services for non-members, cities, schools, electric co-ops, etc. This increases the efficiency of our technology staff, making them better able to deliver cost-effective services to counties. The foundation of NRG, however, is to provide the highest quality, most professional services possible for county and county officials. NRG is owned by counties, and it was created for counties. NRG services can be viewed in 4 primary areas. Whether starting from scratch or working with existing systems, NRG can ensure a reliable and secure network for small to medium-sized operations. NRG partners with some of the most reputable hardware and software manufacturers and discounts rates to ensure that clients receive the latest technology solutions at the best value. Managed services provide a considerable cost saving compared to hiring in-house IT staff, and the state-of-the-art tools available to NRG technicians allow for fast, efficient, effective response. NRG also provides enhanced backup services, which transfers a client's data off-site, fully encrypted, to a secure facility, an essential service in this age of cybersecurity. Based on IRS rules, there must be an arm's length distinction between a parent nonprofit and a for-profit subsidiary. Otherwise, the nonprofit could siphon resources and eliminate income tax liability. Therefore, NDACo may not manage the daily operations of NRG directly, and the directors of the nonprofit and the subsidiary should not be the same. As sole stockholder of NRG, however, NDACo board gets periodic reports from NRG. NRG finances are reviewed by the NDACo board as part of our constitutional and consolidated audit. NRG has its own CEO and staff, and the board includes me as the executive director, 2 current and 1 past county officials as well, and 2 additional NRG clients. Well, thanks for reviewing this video. For more information on NDACo and its subsidiaries, take a look at our website, NDACo.org, the HR Collaborative website, HRNDGOV.org, the NRG website, nrgtechservices.com, or contact a board member, me, or another staff member. Thanks for listening, and please check out the rest of the videos in this series.